Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to recharge your DU SIM card in 2026. So one of the quickest ways of doing it is via the DU mobile application. So you just have to simply launch your DU app. Over here, tap on the option of the home button and you need to first of all log in here either with the help of your UAE pass or with the help of the mobile number and the OTP. So once you have done that, tap on the option of shop. Over here, you will see the option of recharge. When you tap on it, you just have to basically enter the recharge amount, select the available denominations and type a custom amount if it is allowed. After that, you need to choose your payment method. You can typically pay with the help of a debit card, credit card and other supported payment options. After confirming your payment, once it is successful, your balance will be updated instantly and it will be visible in your application. So this way you will be able to recharge DU SIM card. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.